And let's turn our attention to weather now. A live look outside at the Seattle waterfront. If you were up early this morning or maybe even late morning, you may have seen some flurries around the lowlands, but a lot of snow in the mountains as well right now, right, Adam?
Yeah, still going to be expecting some of that to continue on. It's beginning to wind down just like the rest of the lowlands, beginning to see that moisture come to an end, but still the warning in effect until 7 p.m. tonight across the southeastern Cascades. Now, across Olympia, you can see the gloomy scenes that we had throughout the day. It's a snowflake or two here or there, but really it's been areas farther to the north across South Sound and then more across here into the Cascades where we've been seeing a lot more of the wintry weather. Winter storm warning and still in effect until 7 p.m. An additional 1 to 2 inches possible, and then maybe an additional glaze of ice. That's a big thing that you're going to want to keep an eye out for. But overall, we're going to get this system on out of here. We're going to start to dry on out for the remainder of the night. 36, mostly cloudy skies. Winds coming out of the north at about 10 miles per hour. Don't look to really drop temperatures a whole lot more as we go on into the night. We'll probably hover around some of the same numbers that you're seeing right now. 31 in Port Angeles at that freezing point in Oak Harbor. 30 in Mount Vernon, already at 28 in Arlington, which most of us farther to the north didn't really see a whole lot of moisture throughout the day and actually saw a few areas of sunshine still. You can see where that line of clouds is. It was very defined earlier. Now it is beginning to thicken up as far as the cloud coverage farther north, as well as this is beginning to lift northward with the warm front. Some of that snow that you're seeing on the radar quickly faded away just after sunrise this morning, and still some areas of rain just north of Seattle. But this system is going to be heading southward, so things are going to quiet down, and as that exits, high pressure still going to have more rain over parts of western Washington, which will mean more of a drier trend at least for the next 24 hours or so. But tomorrow evening, right about maybe this time, we're going to see the next round of rain coming in, and this will be all in the form of rain with some warmer air in place. So that will start to pick up at about 6-7 p.m. That'll be mainly across areas of Seattle northward, and then it looks like closer to the coast as well. That will continue to spread out. It will intensify into the night and on into the day Thursday. Check out some of the yellows and oranges showing up. Some heavier pockets of rain is going to be around. We are also noticing up across the mountains, though, that the snow not going to be quite as widespread. Not as heavy. Snow levels going to rise a little bit, but they start to come back down later on into Wednesday evening and Wednesday night as that cold front will push on through. And that's when a lot of the heavier snow will start to push on through. And this will be the beginning of the gradual cool down that we'll see on into the end of the work week and into the upcoming holiday weekend. Now, future rainfall is showing between about a half an inch, maybe an inch and a half. Going to be a good soaking rain with this disturbance moving on through. But then we get into the latter part of the work week and into the weekend, we start to set our sights on the possibility of some wintry weather around. Thursday, rain and snow around, maybe Skagit and Whatcom County seeing the better chances. But then we get on into Friday and then Friday night into Saturday, and then that's all snow. That's all white that you're seeing showing up there across western Washington. Going to be a good chance of at least seeing the snowflakes in the sky. You could possibly even see some of that accumulate on the ground.